Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel na Solving Math with Leonalyn. Now, ngayon, dito naman tayo sa age problem. Let's read the problem. A father is 4 times as old as his son. In 20 years, the father will be twice as old as his son. How old is the father? And by the way, para sa mga first time pang napanood ang video ito, kung meron kayong mga kahalintulad nito or kung anumang math problems yan, kung gusto niyong sagutan natin or gawa ng tutorial video na katulad nito, pwede niyo ako i-message sa ating FB page na Free Reviewers with Leonalyn. So anyway, unang-una, i-identify natin yung mga given. So magandang i-solve natin ito na yung tinatawag nating table method kasi gawa natin siya ng table para klaro lang. So, nandyan yung father, nandyan yung son. Dito tayo sa first na statement dito na father is 4 times as old as his son. Ibig sabihin is now yan siya. Now, father is 4 times as old as his son. Hindi natin alam kung ilan yung edad ni son, so let n para sa edad ni son. Kapag sinabing 4 times, ibig sabihin 4 times dito sa n. In 20 years, so plus 20, the father will be twice as old as his son. Since hindi natin alam yung edad ni son now, so therefore, kung n ang edad ni son now, n plus 20, ito na yung edad ni son in 20 years. In 20 years daw, the father will be twice as old as his son. So therefore, twice dito sa n plus 20. Yan naman yung edad ni father in 20 years. Now, ang i-equate naman natin dito, itong edad ni father. Kung ang edad ni father now ay 4n, tapos ito naman yung edad ni father in 20 years, para maging equal itong dalawa, either ito yung minusan natin ng 20 or ito yung ada natin ng 20. So, ganito tayo gagawa ng equation. Edad ni father now ay 4n. Para maging equal dito sa edad ni father in 20 years, ada natin yan ng 20. And that will be equal to, so isolve muna natin to twice of n plus 20. This is 2n plus 40. So therefore, this is 2n plus 40. Equal na sila. Ulitin ko lang. Ito, edad niya in 20 years. In 20 years. Ito naman ang edad niya now. Ada ng 20 para equal sila. Ito na yung equation sa problem na ito. Pwede na natin isolve yung edad ni son, di ba? Let n para sa edad ni son. So ngayon ipagsama-sama natin yung mga like terms, i-keep natin si 4n. Since si 2n ay pang-add, pang-minus na yan kapag i-transfer natin. Ang matitira dito ay itong 40. Itong namang si 20, since pang-add yan siya kapag matransfer, pang-minus na yan dyan. 4n minus 2n, this is 2n. 40 minus 20, and this is 20. Para makuha natin yung value ni n, since si 2 ay pang-multiply, pang-divide. n equals 20 divided by 2, and that is 10. Ito ang edad ni son. Yung tanong, how old is the father? Yung edad ni father. So therefore, ito ay i-multiply natin ng 4, kaya ang edad ni father ay 40 years old. Thank you for watching and all. I hope na meron kayong natutunan sa videong ito. Thank you and God bless.